In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the password on a RAR file. By the end, you'll know the clean, built-in way to update your archive's password without unpacking everything or risking data loss. First, open your RAR file. When your archive manager prompts you, enter the current password so you can access the contents. You'll need this to proceed. Password changes only work when you already know the existing password and have permission to manage the file. If the archive opens normally, you're good to move on. A quick tip here. Consider working on a copy of the archive so you always have the original as a fallback in case you decide to revert. Next, look to the top left of your archive window and go to the Tools menu, then choose Convert Archives. This option tells the app to rebuild the archive based on the settings you choose. In the conversion window, click Compression. This opens the compression settings that control how the new archive is created. Now click Set Password. You'll be prompted to enter a new password and often to confirm it. Take a moment to create a strong, memorable passphrase. Longer is better, and avoid anything obvious or reused. If your app offers a show password toggle while typing, use it to double-check you haven't mistyped anything. When you're satisfied, confirm the dialog to apply the new password settings, then proceed with the conversion. The tool will rebuild the archive and apply your new password to the result. That's it. Done. To be confident everything worked, close the archive and then reopen it. You should be prompted for the new password you just set, and entering it should give you full access. If you still see the old password prompt, you likely updated a different copy or didn't finalize the conversion. Repeat the conversion step and make sure you confirm the compression settings before finishing. Once you've confirmed the new password works, you can safely archive or delete the older copy if you made one, or keep it as a backup according to your workflow. A few final tips. Don't share your passwords in plain text and avoid storing them in screenshots or notes that could be seen by others. Use a trusted password manager if you need to keep track of multiple archive passwords. And remember that converting and repasswording doesn't expose the original password or bypass protection. It simply re-encrypts the archive with the new one you specify. Thanks for watching. If this saved you time, feel free to replay any section and follow along step by step as you change passwords on your other RAR archives.